Let's start at the Etihad Stadium, where Manchester City were taking on Real Madrid in the second leg. Remember, the first leg, Real Madrid outclassed Man City by 3-0. Federico Valverde with a hat-trick at the Bernabeu, and Man City needed to come to this game and win at least by 4 clear goals. Wasn't going to happen, especially with Bernardo Silva, the captain, getting sent off after 22 minutes for handling the ball on the goal line. Vinicius Jr. scoring the opening goal from the penalty spot. Erling Haaland equalized to make things a little bit interesting, but still City needed to score more goals just to stay in the tie, and the game went on and on and on. And of course, Vinicius was able to score a second goal in added time for a 5-1 aggregate win for Real Madrid, which puts them into the quarterfinals and ends Man City's run in the Champions League. Now, another English team which was totally embarrassed, totally outplayed, was Chelsea Football Club. Now, Chelsea are the club world champions, having won the tournament in the USA in July. But my oh my, they were taken to the cleaners by PSG. Having lost the first leg by 5-2, they lost this game by 3-0, 8-2 on aggregate, 8 goals in 2 legs against PSG. Wow, those are too many goals to concede against the European champions. This game was pretty much over after 15 minutes because Barcola and Kvaratskhelia put the Parisians in the box seat, and they never looked back. Chelsea looked a spent force, they looked tired, they looked fatigued, and they're out of the Champions League at the round of 16.